жестко заходим. Feed the kitties, вот надо. Я в восторге.
Ships. Minute after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you have to see another songs of freedom? It's all I ever heard. Redemption song, redemption song.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. And how long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? And some said it's just a part of it. Well, we've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help me sing another song of freedom? It's all I ever had. Oh, redemption song, yes Lord. Redemption song, redemption song. Wop choo bop choo bop.
Come on with me, people.
Wop choo bop choo bop.
Come on with me, children.
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book.
So won't you help me sing another song of freedom? It's all I ever had. Oh,
Redemption song,
yes Lord.
redemption song, redemption song, redemption song.
Songs of freedom.
On the open road, on the open road, yeah. On the open road. Yeah, I've traveled all around the globe, seen new places, people remember stories I've been told. I've been hot and bothered in the land of ice and frozen in the rain, but nothing comes close to the way I feel when I'm on the open road again. Up from blood, yeah. In the car, go to Temperu to freshen up. Oh, I swim at Lake Wakatipu. Manganui, Wanganui, Pokakoi, driving slowly, singing all the way home. Kaingaroa, Anga Anga, Otrahanga, Kangoroa, all the places I'd love to go. Yeah, I've tasted finest food known to me, but nothing's better than a fresh feed from the sea. I've been hot and bothered in the land of ice and frozen in the rain, but nothing comes close to the way I feel when I'm on the open road again. Up from Bluffo, yeah. In the car, go to Timaru to freshen up. I'll swim at Lake Wakatipu. Manganui, Wanganui, Pokakoi, driving slowly, singing all the way home. Kaingaroa.